Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to make Puto Pao. We will need 1 medium-sized onion, 3 cloves garlic, 250 grams pork shoulder or kasim, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, and half a teaspoon pepper. First, let's prepare the filling. Put some oil in the pan, then saute the garlic followed by the onion. Add the pork, then brown on all sides. Add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and brown sugar. Give it a mix, then add the pepper. Add 1 cup of water and let it simmer for 45 minutes. While waiting for the filling to cool down, we can start to make the puto mixture. In a bowl, sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Add 1/2 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of water, and half cup of fresh milk. Using fresh milk will give us a whiter puto compared to using evaporated milk. Give it a good mix until all the ingredients are combined and free from lumps. Set this aside for a while. In another bowl, separate the white and yellow part of 4 eggs. Using an electric mixer, beat the egg whites until it forms soft peaks. Add half cup of sugar and continue to beat for another 1 minute until the sugar is fully incorporated. The next step is to combine the egg white mixture and batter. Fold the egg white into the batter until they are fully incorporated. Shred first the pork so it will have a pulled pork texture. Now we're ready to assemble our puto pao. Line the puto molds with cupcake liners. Fill each puto mold with 1 tablespoon of puto mixture, then add 2 teaspoons of pork filling. Fill it up again with puto mixture. If you are not using cupcake liners, make sure to grease the molds so the puto can be easily removed in the molds. Then top it up with salted duck egg and cheese. The last step is to steam the puto. Boil around 3 to 4 cups of water in the steamer. Once ready, place the Puto Pao and steam in medium heat for 15 minutes. Once done, remove from the steamer and let it cool. Here's the finished product of our Puto Pao. This puto version is a good afternoon snack paired with coffee or hot Milo. Enjoy!
Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!